Hey guys, it's Ender here, and welcome back to whatever part to my hardcore series this is. And the whole of last episode, I was basically building my new house, and then I decided that I didn't really like it. So, just before I started this recording, I have completely demolished the house and started making something different. And I hope it's gonna look better. So I think it will. So I kind of have like a vision in my mind that I can't really describe what it is, but once like I built it, you will definitely understand what it is. But I just need probably a lot more wood, which is an issue. Never mind, I did not notice the 64 stack in my inventory. I do not need more wood. Oh, what I do need is cobblestone, which I somehow ran out of cobblestone. So I think, because I'm trying to make this world look as good as I possibly can, because I don't want this to look bad, obviously, but I kind of want to make like a really nice, big, huge area. But I need to create like a mine, because I do have like caves near me, but they're not as close as I would want them to be. So I think if we'd create like a path going all the way along here. Oh, this is a good start actually. I'm gonna build off of this. I didn't notice this. When did this get here? How did I miss this? Oh my. Right. Coal. That is a good sign. Oh, this is good. Needed coal as well, I think. No, I didn't. Never mind. I have a lot more material than I thought I did. I guess it's what you get for not playing on this world for like 3 weeks. I was looking for cobblestone though, not coal. I'll take it. Oh my god, it's massive. Oh, never mind. It ended. Okay. I like. Oh, now I've messed it up. Go like this. Just go down. I think. Or I messed it up again. What I have. Oh, I've got. Let's see if this is enough cobble actually. I hope it is. I think this is probably. Oh, I need to put a torch down there. Definitely. I'll try. I need to fix it because I keep smacking my head as I go down. I'm going to do like a rim of cobble. Around the outside. Oops. Now I have my oak flooring like I did in the previous house I built. Oh, oh, that was enough cobble as well. I think this would be big enough. I could make a second floor if I want. Yeah, that is good enough. And then I need to build the flooring. Oh, I am mining wood with a pickaxe. If we make the flooring, and then it's going to be out of stripped spruce logs again, definitely. So I do enjoy that. What do I? Or do I make it cobble? I thought I had the idea of what I wanted to do in my head, but now I'm second guessing myself. Ooh, how's Lucky Chicken going? Hello! Hello! Oh! Oh, I've got an egg. Come on. Oh, you're such a disappointment, man. Lay better eggs. Do you want friends? Ooh, I need to start a farm as well. Ooh, definitely gonna need more animals because I think I'll definitely need some more food. I'm not gonna have enough food. 1, 2. Oh man, I did this wrong. But anyway, it'll look fine. So what I was thinking of doing is we'll obviously have. Oh, it's a cow. Oh, I thought it was like a. Oh, we do like this. Oh no, that's the wrong way around. Then you can still see. Or if we do it. Oh, directions on the stairs. It's necessary, but absolutely annoying. There we go. Oh, that doesn't add up. Oh man, I should have measured the house properly. I was doing it even, so like it would have looked better with like the doors would be even and stuff like that. But now I wish I did it odd. It's just gonna have to be 2s in it. I was gonna do like have slabs, but oh well. It's definitely gonna. Have I done? Yeah, I have. Do this. Does that look good? I don't know. Ooh, what if I just did the stairs in the corner, then I have slabs going to. I like this. Ooh, let me make some. Do I have? I do. I make some wood. Oh. Making trapdoors. Okay, if we. Oh, I kind of prefer that one. Yeah, I'm gonna do that one. I need more slabs. This is what I was kind of hoping to do there, but I did it so it's not even. It's even. No, I did it. Wait. Yeah, I did it so that it's even. It just did not work. There we go. I think that looks pretty decent. Oh, do I want to make the house out of cobble? I think I want to use this wood for the pillars. Or do I do just spruce? Oh man, I'm gonna have to compare them all, am I? Okay, where the staircase gonna go? Let's do it there. And have. Oh, come on. Directions with doors is also unnecessary. My days. Like, where have I got 3 doors from? Oh, my inventory's a mess. I hate having my inventory's a mess. Just don't like it at all. I've got a lot of different wood items. There you go. That's more organised. I kind of forgot the chicken I was here. Anyway. Okay. Oh, I need to get my coal again. Okay, what would look... Got normal wood. Oh, what if we did... Now that one kind of goes... Oh, what's the block that... I don't think I have any of it. When people mix, like, mossy cobble, and is it... Oh, is it... It's probably andesite. I don't think I have any of that, though. I can't make mossy cobble, I don't have andesite. Just do spruce wood. What if I did a... Oh, I'm really thinking about this because once I've built this house, I probably just, like, won't change it, like, ever. Oh, now I kind of want to make a platform. I'm so indecisive. Oh man. I ran out of wood again. Do we... Gonna need more stairs at some point. Okay, do we extend this out once... Actually, no, do that. Then platform here. I definitely will need more cobble, because I'm probably gonna break my axe again. But, what if I did like... No, that looks terrible. I need mossy cobble, but, oh well. Okay. I mean, it does look very, like, spruce, but definitely do for now. Yeah. Sure. Probably, like, I'm gonna think of something really amazing to build this house out of. Like, damn it, why didn't I do that? We can make this like a little kitchen area, this bit. I think that'd be pretty good. It's quite annoying that I keep running out of wood. Just must make it. I hope this will look good in the end. I've already spent too long making a house, not liking it, destroying it. Oh, I need to find the chicken hole. Again. Come on. Why are you telling me logs? This is taking much more wood than I thought it. I've made too much wood now. Okay. Now I've got to decide. Ooh, should I make an upstairs? Yeah. Do. Bruh. Does it look better in oak or spruce? Actually, do oak. So I could put. They've got them like bookshelves and chisel bookshelves and stuff. Do a bit of that. Oh, I've made it too low. Cause now I'm going to smack in my head. Need to go up one. Oh, I've got wood. It's definitely like if I find some flowers or like could put some leaves around the edges. There's big plans, big plans. And I've got to figure out if I'm gonna where I'm gonna put my or what to build. Because I'm definitely gonna make like a villager trading area. But I've got to figure out where and what to build out of. Oh, that was the wrong button. And I've got this stupid bad omen I've had for what felt like years. Just not going away. Oh, I'm gonna need more. Oh, never mind, I will not need more glass. Oh, I could do like. For this bit, I could do like them weird slanted roofs. Definitely. Oh, that needs to be stacked. I'll do them like slanted roofs. This is gonna be a bit awkward. But meh, it is what it is. Oh. Oh, this is coming along. Ooh, what if I did... Don't know which looks better. I really take a lot. I don't usually put a lot of effort into this, but I really want to make sure this looks good. Oh, I did that the wrong way around again. I don't know if you can hang lanterns off these. Ooh. Well, I kind of like that. Put that the wrong way around again. Oh, I do quite like that. Might keep that. Then, yeah. Oh, I love this. Ah, I'm gonna run out of oak. That is so annoying. Ugh. Oh. Oh yeah. I'm gonna need to figure out how to. I'm not very. Roofs are like my worst nightmare. I can never do them properly. Did not mean to press that. If only you could see my face. I was concentrating so hard to place that block just then. Oh my days. No, it's again. Actually does look quite good. Quite proud of myself. I'm so happy I thought of the stairs thing. Just gonna make these ones a bit small. These are gonna be like the odd one outs. Especially if I can't place the stairs the right way. Oh, that looks really weird. Oh well. Will it fit? Wait. 1, 2. Oh, don't know about this one. It would definitely fit. Does also not fit in that gap. Fits in that one. Can place the windows as well. Oh, this is. Oh, I actually love this. It's like a cozy little house. Ah. Oh, do I have bookshelves? Wait, can I get chisel bookshelves actually? Oh, I can. How'd you make them? Oh, that's easy to make. Oh, maybe I should not have done that yet. I only get one. That's a bit depressing. How many? I don't. Oh, I need to make bookshelves as well. One bookshelf from. Oh, that's painful. Well, there's the start to my idea, but I'm quite poor, so obviously that did not work. Put this random book I have as well. Go right in there. Ta-da! chisel bookshelves actually like a good idea. Like Mojang is not known for making good ideas in Minecraft. Mojang, don't get angry at me, please. This is my life. But oh, enough. The chisel bookshelves. What? Oh, come on. Don't worry, I'll get my words out eventually. The chisel bookshelves were actually like a really good idea. Like, we've just had the boring bookshelves for so long. But we finally have got good bookshelves. Okay, what else? Oh, I need more wood. I need to figure out how I'm going to do this roof as well. I'm going to need a lot of stairs, and stairs are expensive, which is quite irritating. I guess I will have to get... Oh. This is the second time I've fallen into your hole. And you didn't even produce a chicken. Oh, you tried to get out then. I saw that. You can never escape me. Never forget. No, forget that. No. Never forget that. You will forever be my lucky chicken. Come on, man. Ooh. So I was thinking about like what I was actually gonna do in this world, but I know like a lot of like Minecraft or hardcore YouTubers have done this, but I love the idea of creating all the biomes like surrounding the base. Like that is like such a cool concept. And I do want to do that. And what I'm also going to do at some point is probably drain that one, that ocean mummy, or that one, either one. Drain one of them, or both of them, you never know. I don't know what I would do with it. I'm not the best builder in Minecraft, I will admit. But I could probably make something good. Oh, I've just got so many ideas. Oh, I love Minecraft. It's just... Oh. I don't know if I'm going to keep this layer. Depends where I start the roof. But it's just to... So I don't, you know, walk off the edge. God, I really don't know how to make roofs. I'd have to... I'd go over... Maybe this is a problem for future me. Yeah. I'm leaving that problem for future me. Oh, look, I can't make stairs in that crafting table. Need more stairs and slabs. Oh, and the chicken just popped out an egg. I love the... I didn't... Oh my god. I didn't know that chickens pooping out eggs actually made a sound till I heard the lucky chicken. But turns out they do. Wait, can I actually... Did I use... no, I didn't. Oh, thank god. What does it look like when they touch? Did that again! My days. Oh, that actually looks good. Can't do it with this one's too small. That actually looks decent. Can do it with this one. mend this one as well. Oh, I've run out of stairs again! Oh. Don't need oak stairs. I can't even... Oh! I wish this was just a spruce forest. Do I? I don't know. I only need spruce for that. I'm literally not gonna probably use spruce again, unless I do, you know, that project that I want to do. But definitely a good start. Oh, I can move my stuff in. I'll probably. Can't even make a new one. Can't even make a wood one. I'm so. I'll probably move my bed up. Oh, it's sticking there. Oh, can't get my words out. This is gonna be like the kitchen area. Right here. There's not that much coal in there. And then leave that in the corner for now. I'll leave my... yeah, because it's not that safe upstairs yet. I don't know. I'm deciding to put my bed. Put it right there. It is off to a good start, I do have to say. I do much prefer this than what I did last time. Even though I spent an hour making that house. This is definitely an improvement. Oh, I can't but this is probably just shows you, but I love what I've done with these stairs here. I'm just gonna go quickly get some cobble while I probably ramble about something. I was gonna ramble about something, but now I've forgotten what that was. How am I always forgetting what I'm gonna say? I hate when I do that. How have I forgotten what I was gonna say again? Yeah, no, I don't know what I was gonna say. I've forgotten again. But I hopefully will get an episode out next week, or I'll probably watch a tutorial on actually how to build roofs. Because if I was playing in a world with my friends, I would always make them do the roof because I just couldn't. I don't know why. But my roofs have just always been flat, which is very boring. This is the first house that I've actually put details on. So it's a big step. But yeah, I'm quite happy with that. And I hope I filmed enough footage. I have no idea how long I've been recording, but thank you for watching this episode. I will, as I said before, I think I'll be able to make one next week. I'm not 100% sure, but thank you for watching again, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.